Welcome back to today's report on Friday the 29th of January with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. Let's have a look at Eurodollar now, and we've had this sort of 4-day run higher in the Eurodollar, which basically pretty much just reaffirms this range pattern, doesn't it? This range trade that we've got in place. There is a very slight sequence still of lower highs, but this RSI momentum just again now basically flattening off, isn't it? I mean, if I took that out, you would argue it's basically moving between 40 and 60, isn't it? And that is indicative of a very much of a range-bound trade. MACD lines dead flat, stochastics basically bang on neutral. So you're sort of still very much range-bound, and I think that is going to be the case for a while. I don't really see what's going to break you out. You've had the ECB, that's not done it. You've had the Fed, that's not done it. So for now, I think we're very much still range-bound and stuck in it. As I said, there is a sequence of very slight lower highs. Latest reaction high yesterday, 967. I mean, to be honest, it's sort of a resistance band, isn't it, between 109.50 and 109.90, really, I think, at the moment. And then obviously these peaks came in at 110.50, but just generally I think the market is very much range bound, and again today's candle, which is sort of unwinding some of those gains of the last few days, is pretty much indicative of that. You've seen the hourly RSI, which is dropping below 40. That's not all that great. You've seen the corrective signals on the MACD and the stochastics. Now there is a pivot, near-term pivot, not brilliant, but still something to look at over the past couple of weeks. 108.60. 108.60 sort of caught the lows, caught a few highs, caught some lows here and here. Again yesterday, not too far off at 67 was the low. So you'd say 108.60 is a bit of a pivot level you can work with. So if you sort of start breaking back below it, then that's negative and you'd be coming back towards the range low. If you sort of start to find support at it, then maybe you're going to sort of start rallying again. So it's interesting that maybe that the euro is trading around that at the moment, but pretty much very much neutral, very much range bound, and until you get a decisive signal either way, which would be sort of a decisive close below 108 figure, or a decisive close above 109.90. I don't really think you're going to get too much change out of this. You're going to still remain in this range. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.